uh, there are planet Jupiter has a lot of hydrogen to planet Earth, and planet Uranus and planet Saturn. It's very huge. Uh, our, our planet, you will see the whale. The whales are very huge than man. The megalodon, giant shark, the giant squid, etc. etc. Imagine those giants here in planet Earth compared to those giants there in the water of Jupiter, planet Jupiter. And scientists say it's more like there's a lot of poisonous gas, more, more like carbon dioxide, methane, and helium. Carbon dioxide, what humans and animals breathe, right? It just means there's a lot of giants there, or like more than the size of Moby, the great whale that's very huge than a regular whale. Very huge giants, more like the imagine the Sumerian skeleton giants that they were on Sumerian in the giant skeleton in India, in Greece, in Egypt, in China. Imagine the sizes of beings there, and the our dinosaurs back to those giants inland species there in planet Jupiter, and also in Uranus plus Saturn. Oh my God, it's a good term, huh? It's a good it's a good movie. You should write a movie on those one. Need a movie on those one. And I'm Mario Antonio Parente, planning to make human as the most dominant species of the entire universe. We can use those hydrogen, those waters there in Jupiter, Uranus, and Saturn, and make a giant space hydrogen uh, space station, and among its parameters are space countries, space cities, etc. etc. And the helium will serve an energy to us, the methane and carbon dioxide will serve energy to empower those space stations outside those planets.